Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this really cool special effects look. Your mouth is supposed to be like so jet or whatever. It's really cool. I've seen a lot of people do it, so I decided to do a tutorial on it. By the way, this video is a voiceover because obviously like I can't talk while I'm doing it. But I'm going to be posting a Halloween makeup look every other day on my Instagram. So make sure you guys are following my Instagram so you can see all of those looks. And I'm probably gonna post more than every other day, like probably a few days in a row. But yeah, I'm starting with every other day. So make sure you guys go follow my Instagram and keep watching for this tutorial. That is a finished tutorial. I hope you guys love it. I'm obsessed with how it came out. By the way, if you guys love this look, I do have a tutorial up on my channel for this look, so you guys can go watch it. Yeah, so before we go, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow my Instagram. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!